Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the manual transmission oil on Volkswagen Jetta MK5. This car is equipped with the 5-speed 0A4 transmission, which is part of the MQ250 family. To get access to the transmission, first we need to remove the engine under tray. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video, I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. This is the transmission right there, and there on the bottom is the drain plug. Before I start replacing the transmission oil, first I'll show you the procedure in the service manual. Here you can see the capacity of transmission oil needed, it's 2 liters, and the oil needed is 75W GL4, and this is the step-by-step procedure for replacing the oil. Next I'm going to open the drain plug and drain the oil. Now we're going to let the oil drain, and we're also going to open the pivot pin and let the remaining oil drain from there. This is the pivot pin right there. There's actually 2 pivot pins, you can open both of them and let all the oil drain from there. Here you can see how much oil came out. It's probably around 200-300 milliliters of oil that comes out of the pivot pin. Once all the oil drains, we're going to put the pivot pin back and tighten the bolt. Next we're going to put the drain plug back on and tighten it. Now that the oil is drained, I'm going to put the new oil into the transmission. To do that, I'm going to do it from the top of the transmission where the reverse light switch is. To do that, first I'm going to remove the air filter housing. Now that the air filter housing is removed, I have access to the top of the transmission. Now I'm going to remove the reverse light switch and put the oil through there. This is the reverse light switch right there. First I'm going to remove the electrical connector. There's a tab on it which we need to press and then pull out the connector. Here is a tab on the connector that we need to press and then pull out the connector. Next I'm going to remove the reverse light switch. To do that I need to unscrew it. To do that I'm going to use a wrench. The wrench I'm using is size 22, so I need to loosen it and then I can remove it by hand. and that's the reverse light switch removed. Now I'm going to show you where I'm going to fill the transmission oil from. I'm going to fill it through that hole for the reverse light switch. This is the oil that I'm going to be using. It's 75W GAO4. This is the syringe that I'm going to use to put the oil into the transmission. I'm going to put that end of the hose into that hole, and then I'm going to put all the oil into the transmission. I need to put around 2 liters of oil. There is no way of measuring the oil, so we need to put exactly 2 liters of oil. You need to put 2 liters of oil if you've drained the oil from the pivot pin. If you haven't drained the oil from the pivot pin, then you need to put maybe 1.7, 1.8 liters. There is another plug on the transmission that's on the front of the transmission, but on that plug you can't get the level of it, because once you open it, the oil will start flowing. Usually oil starts flowing there after you add about maybe a liter or 1.2 liters. So you can't get accurate level from that level plug. The only thing you can do is just drain all the oil from the drain plug and the pivot pins, and then add exactly 2 liters of oil. Once we add the 2 liters of oil, then we can put the reverse light switch back in place, tighten it and put the connector on. Afterwards we can assemble everything else in the reverse order. Once we assemble everything else in the reverse order, the job is done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.